In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a demo account in Vantage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set one up, customize it to your needs, and start practicing with virtual funds. No deposit required. Let's begin with the fastest option, direct sign-up. Head to the official Vantage demo sign-up page. You'll be asked for a few basics, your email, your name, and your phone number, and you'll create a password. When everything is filled in, click Continue. That's it for the initial registration. You don't need to add any payment details or fund anything to proceed. Next, you'll customize your demo account. Choose your trading platform, either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. MT4 is a classic, widely supported platform. MT5 is newer with additional tools and timeframes. Pick your account type, Standard, which uses spread-only pricing, or Raw, which typically has tighter spreads plus a small commission. Useful if you want to practice lower spread environments. Select your account currency, such as USD or EUR. Set your leverage, for example, 1:100 or 1:500. Higher leverage magnifies both gains and losses. But remember, this is a demo, so you're practicing in a risk-free environment. Finally, choose your virtual balance, up to $100,000. A helpful tip, set an amount close to what you might use in a real account so your practice feels realistic. After you complete setup, Vantage will email your demo login details. Look for your account number, password, and server name in your inbox. And check your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Save this information securely. You'll use it to access your demo account. Now log in to MT4 or MT5. Download the platform on your computer or mobile device, open it, and select Login to Trade Account. If prompted, search for and select the exact server provided in your email, then enter your demo account number and password. Once logged in, you can place trades with virtual money and explore charts, indicators, and order types without any financial risk. If you already have a Vantage profile, there's an even quicker route. Log in to the client portal, go to Accounts, click Open Account, choose Demo Account, set your preferences, platform, account type, currency, leverage, and balance, and click Create. Your demo will be ready immediately. With a Vantage demo, you get up to $100,000 in virtual funds, real market prices, and risk-free practice. Great for beginners and for testing strategies. Demo accounts usually last about 30 days, and if you open a live account, your demo can be unlimited. Remember, no real money is needed. You can reset your balance anytime, and live trading conditions can differ slightly from demo due to execution and slippage. Happy practicing!